everyone, and welcome to the Small Business Social Show. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jill, and I'm the owner of Fox Social Media, where I've been helping small business owners to market and grow their businesses for over 9 years now. And I'm really excited that you joined me today to talk about this topic. 6 reasons why buying followers actually hurts your business. So you know the old saying, if it seems too good to be true, then it probably is? Well, this is a classic example of that, and let me tell you why that is. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because every week I'll be sharing information that will help you to market and grow your small business or personal brand. So you have a brand new brand or a brand new business, and you want to grow your social media following as quickly as possible. And you figure, hey, buying followers is cheap, it's easy, it's fast, and hey, I've got nothing to lose, and this is a really great way to grow my social media following, right? Wrong. And here is why. Reason number 1, you will not get engagement from purchased followers. Once these followers have followed your account, they don't do anything else. Not to mention the fact that most of them are fake. A good portion of them are not even real accounts. And even if they were, people who are following you because they were paid to do so are not going to engage with your posts. And since engagement is the highest metric when it comes to Instagram's algorithm, you're not even going to be seen. And if you're not ranking high in Instagram's algorithm, they're not going to show your posts to people. That includes both your own followers and anybody that's a potential follower and that may really like your content. They're not even going to get a chance to see it for the most part. With Instagram, the biggest thing you want to do is to rank and show up on the Explore page. That is the best way for new people to find you and find your content and see, hey, this is a great account and I would love to follow it. But if you're not there, they're never going to know it. And if you don't have a good engagement rate, you are not going to show up there. Reason number 2, having a lot of fake followers will hurt your brand's reputation. It's super easy to spot them. They don't have profile pictures, they don't have bios, and in many cases, their username ends in a whole bunch of numbers. And then when you go and look a little bit further, you'll see that they follow a lot of random different accounts. They only have a few posts that are unrelated and basically just stock images. And in addition to that, if you look further and you see the comments they've made, they're either superficial or they make no sense at all. And that's because they use bots to post comments. And people do not want to work with or buy from a brand that appears scammy, unprofessional, and just completely untrustworthy. So you got to remember, too, that where fake followers go, spam soon follows. Reason number 3, Instagram and Twitter both purge fake accounts, and possibly your account too. So suddenly your follower count goes way down, and even worse is the possibility that your account gets deleted as well. Because Twitter and Instagram have every right and may actually go through with deleting your account if you violate their terms of service. And buying fake followers and fake likes does violate their terms of service. Reason number 4, you can lose money instead of make it. And you're in the business to make money, not lose it, not throw it down the drain and not make bad decisions. So sometimes you can't help it, but this is when you really can. Don't buy the fake followers, because as soon as they get deleted, guess what? Your money goes down the drain with those fake followers. Reason number 5, you can't sell anything to fake followers, or real ones for that matter, who have no interest in your brand, your market, your product, or anything else to do with you. So that is not going to help your business at all, and you will have wasted money on building this audience who really isn't looking at your content and really cares nothing about it or your business at all. And on top of that, you're going to damage your reputation with businesses and brands that could be really great partners with you. They're too smart to work with people who they deemed to be lazy, not business savvy, and untrustworthy. And businesses know that fake followers do not buy products and services. Reason number 6, buying followers can do the exact opposite of what you're trying to accomplish. Essentially, you're spending money to damage your reputation with potential customers, destroy your position within both Instagram and Twitter's algorithm, and to turn off businesses who could be a great partner match for you and a really great way for you to build your own business. So the bottom line is that there are no shortcuts in life or in business, and you've got to do the right thing and make good marketing choices and grow your business authentically as well as your social media following, and be the kind of brand and the kind of business that both customers and other businesses really trust and want to work with. Thank you again for joining me today, and please remember to subscribe because every week I'll be posting new information that's going to help you to grow your small business or personal brand, and I'm looking forward to joining you again next week.